Google Lens has been making waves as a visual search tool, but does it really live up to the hype? Today, we're digging into its features, usability, and whether it's worth your time. Let's see if it truly delivers on its promises. Google Lens is designed to help you search the world around you using your camera. The core functionality is pretty straightforward. Point your camera at an object and Lens will identify it, providing information, shopping options, and even translations. What's impressive is its ability to recognize text, landmarks, and products almost instantly. The user experience is generally smooth, especially for those already integrated into the Google ecosystem. It feels intuitive and the interface is clean. However, while the basics are solid, there are moments when it feels a bit limited. For instance, the accuracy of object recognition can vary based on lighting and distance, which might frustrate some users. Intended for casual users as well as those in need of quick information on the go, Google Lens does stand out in its niche. Yet there's a noticeable lack of advanced features that tech enthusiasts might expect, leaving some potential users wanting more. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Google Lens is incredibly user-friendly and offers a wide range of functionalities, from identifying plants and animals to translating text in real time. The integration with other Google services also enhances its utility. However, there are drawbacks. The accuracy can be hit or miss, especially with less common objects, which might leave users disappointed. Additionally, while it's free, some might argue that it lacks the depth of features found in paid alternatives. Privacy concerns also rise, as with any app that requires camera access. Ultimately, if you're someone who values quick, visual information and already uses Google products, you might find it beneficial. But if you need more detailed insights or privacy is a major concern for you, it could be worth exploring other options. In summary, Google Lens is a handy tool for quick visual searches, especially for casual use. If you're already in the Google ecosystem, it's worth a try. However, if you require more accurate or detailed results, you may want to consider alternatives. Overall, it has potential, but it's not without its limitations.